So here's a little update on the 97 Mustang GT. I took the blue Mach 1 for a nice drive out to the shop where the car is, and if you recall I had just replaced the engine in it, but it had another rod knock, and so my friend at the shop is going to be putting a new engine in it. So here is the progress of the car. You can see the engine's out of it, and this is probably the new engine, I think, getting everything transferred over to it. There's the old transmission off the new engine, came out of a Crown Victoria, and this is the engine that just came out of it that had the knock. You can see the oil in it is kind of dark. Maybe the previous owner wasn't very good on this engine, and if you remember, it's an '03 GT engine. There's the intake manifold there. Here's the car on the lift with everything pulled out of it, so it's really cool to see it there. And there's another 4.6 over there that they might be using some parts off of, but the car looks good in the shop and it looks good on the lift, and hopefully pretty soon it'll be back up and running and I can be daily driving it and enjoying it some more. And if you look underneath the car, you can see they left the transmission in it with a torque converter, so I just put all that in it, and the exhaust is still there, so they left a lot of the car intact, which is pretty cool to see. But it's just nice to see the car getting some progress and getting some work done to it. I took a case of oil and a new Ford Motorcraft filter up there for them to use and put it in the car, so when they're ready for it, that it'll be ready to use. And so just want to make a little update and show everybody what's going on with the 97 GT, and it's fun to see the footage of it in the shop. And so I'll put the playlist to this car of everything it's gone through from when I got the car and all the things I had to do to it so far. And I think it's really a good story and a good update series that a lot of people have showed a lot of interest in. So if you want to watch those videos, I'll put them in here with a link. And remember to subscribe to the channel and check out the other builds I'm doing right now and the Mustang stories.